WiseScreener is a stock screener and a tool that investors and traders can use to filter stocks based on user-defined metrics. These metrics is what we are going to discuss now. Your trading plan should have a criterion on what stocks to trade. Apply the criteria in WiseScreener, then screen stocks for the next trading day. Use your knowledge, skills, plan, movement of stocks using charting tools and personal convictions on buying and selling a stock. WiseScreener should be just a part of your trading program. Let me show you how to use it in scenario example. But before that, we will first familiarize the fields, values and its use. By the way, if you are using Marcy and want to master Marcy, please visit their Facebook page and YouTube channels. You can find more trading setup videos there. Just search Candlestick Traders PH in Facebook and YouTube. Marcy is simple but powerful strategy. If you are also using Alma-based strategies, more details on these strategies on Traders Lounge FB group. They have also more strategies there if you want to learn more. Traders Lounge FB group offers free learnings. WiseScreener is just a tool to make your strategy testing simpler. As long as it can be translated to conditions with built-in indicators, WiseScreener can be used with any strategies. I assume you already completed the tutorial about the criteria editor and already capable to use it. So now, let's start by familiarizing the available data or indicators we can use. To make it visually simple, we try to hide long numeric values as much as possible. So we can use these data in our conditions. So let's start with ALMA-related fields. ALMA stat. Describing if price is above or below ALMA, or just crossed above or below. Values, crossed above. Price just crossed above ALMA. Above. Price is above ALMA. Crossed below. Price just crossed below ALMA. Below. Price is below ALMA. ALMA days. Number of days price stayed below or above ALMA. ALMA dist. ALMA distance. To display it in percentage instead of values, the following formula has been used. Close price divided by ALMA, -1, times 100%. Values. Closing to 100% means price and ALMA is too far. 0% means price and ALMA touched or equal. Negative values represent price below ALMA. Positive values represent price above ALMA. MACD dist. MACD histogram or distance. To display it in percentage, the system will determine the largest histogram in the series and use it as divisor. Values. On grid values, if the font is formatted bold, it means the MACD signal and line just crossed. Negative values represent MACD line is below signal line. Positive values represent MACD line is above signal line. Value in million. Closing price multiplied with volume. Volume percent average. Volume divided by volume average, -1, where volume average or average volume is computed as simple moving average of volume using the period you set in configurations. On grid values. Negative values represent current volume is less than the average volume. Positive values represent current volume is greater than the average volume. RSI stat. Categorized value for RSI. Values. Less than or equal 30 is oversold. Greater than 30 and less than or equal to 35 is downside oversold. Greater than 40 and less than or equal to 45 is upside oversold. Greater than 50 and less than or equal to 55 is position. Greater than 60 and less than or equal to 65 is momentum. Greater than 70 is overbought. The colored background, including values with no categories, will also determine scale of RSI approaching to overbought or green, and oversold or red. With those RSI categories, you can play a strategy with it. Just refer to Candlestick Trader PH YouTube channel and search for RSI momentum plays. Strategy 1 to 3 or 1 to 10 for WiseScreener Plus users. Display buy or sell values according to your conditions provided in configurations. Cells with light green shade will inform you that your target price was hit. Cells with light red or something like pink shade will inform you that your trail stop was hit. Trail stop is calculated from the highest gain. Values are approximated since deductions from broker and taxes are not included. If you want to see actual values of ALMA, MACD, RSI, and other original values not yet converted to percentage, the grid is very flexible enough to add those figures as additional columns. Just right-click any column header, then click Column Chooser. On Customization box, you will see other columns that can be added, or click Add to view more. Stock code is stock ticker. Date is trading date. Close is end of day price. Open, low, and high values. Change is price change since last day's price. Percent change is percent change from the last price. Previous close is previous EOD price. Volume is transaction volume of the day. Volume average is calculated using simple moving average with length and period that can be adjusted in configurations. Net foreign is net foreign values. MACD crossed has values either true or false. True if MACD line and signal line just crossed, otherwise, false. MACD line is a calculated value from MACD indicator. MACD signal is a calculated value from MACD indicator. RSI is a calculated value from RSI indicator. ALMA is a calculated value from ALMA indicator. I hope you are now familiar with field values and their usage. We will discuss in the next video later on how to translate an actual strategy into conditions. We hope WiseScreener can help your trading plans. Remember, a stock screener is a tool that investors and traders can use to filter stocks based on user-defined metrics. It is not a fortune-telling machine or system. Screen stocks today so you can get selections for the next day trading. During that day, use charting tools and your personal convictions to buy and sell stocks. At the end of the day, WiseScreener is just a little part of your whole trading plan. I hope this short video helps you get started with WiseScreener. Let's make trading by technical analysis simpler to everyone. Support WiseScreener. Thank you for watching.